Section 5. Applying AI Fluency to Course Design and Learning Outcomes. Learning Objectives. By the end of this section, educators will be able to 1. Understand how to responsibly integrate AI into course design. 2. Apply the 4D framework to assignments, assessments, and learning outcomes. 3. Balance AI-supported activities with academic honesty and critical thinking. 4. Align AI use with curriculum goals without undermining learning integrity. Now that we've explored practical AI applications in education, let's take the next step. How do we embed AI into actual course design and student learning outcomes? This is important because simply using tools isn't enough. As educators, we must ensure AI learning supports our curriculum goals and does not compromise academic honesty, creativity, or critical thinking. Designing assignments with the 4D framework. When you design assignments or projects today, AI will inevitably be in the background. Students already have access to chatbots, translators, or AI tutors. Instead of ignoring it, intentionally design with the 4Ds in mind. 1. Delegation. Decide what students may delegate to AI. Example, allow AI brainstorming for an ideas list, but restrict final essay writing to student voices. 2. Description. Ask students to describe how they used AI. Example, reflection journals. I used Grammarly to identify grammar issues, but I revised the content myself. 3. Discernment. Build assignments that require double-checking. Example, use AI to generate 3 potential solutions, then critique which one is feasible and why. 4. Diligence. Reinforce ethics in grading rubrics. Reward transparency, originality, and proper citation of AI-supported work. This approach turns AI from a cheating shortcut into a learning partner. Designing assessments with AI in mind. Assessments need to evolve in the age of AI. Consider process-oriented assessments. Instead of only evaluating final answers, evaluate how students used AI responsibly. Example, portfolio submissions showing drafts, AI interactions, and student edits. Critical thinking over recall. AI can provide facts instantly. The role of assessments is to test interpretation, perspective, synthesis, and original analysis. Mixed mode assessment. Combination of traditional in-class writing plus AI-supported projects. Example, first draft in class, revision using AI responsibly. Submission with reflection. Embedding AI into learning outcomes. Future curricula must not only teach subjects, but also explicitly prepare students to use AI critically and ethically. For example, in English outcomes, students will express original voice while responsibly using AI tools for editing support. In science, students will demonstrate ability to compare AI-generated scientific explanations with textbooks for accuracy. In career skills, students will use AI to explore job descriptions but evaluate realistically where human skills are essential. Teachers who incorporate AI into outcomes signal to students, "We expect you to use these tools, but responsibly and transparently." Example of an AI-integrated assignment. Write a 1,000-word essay on renewable energy challenges. Step 1. Delegation. Use AI to brainstorm subtopics: wind, solar, cost, storage. Step 2. Description. Note where AI supported your work. AI suggested subtopics. Step 3. Discernment. Select and critique AI-generated points. Do they hold up? Step 4. Diligence. Write the essay yourself, acknowledging AI's role, ensuring originality. Result? The student learns, applies, reflects, and grows. Not just copies. Horizon Trax perspective. At Horizon Trax, our expert advisors emphasize AI-ready teaching equals curriculum that includes ethical fluency. This means designing activities not to ban AI or glorify it, but to teach students how to coexist with AI as thoughtful partners. Our faculty development model, shaped by experts from big tech and Ivy League, MIT, Stanford-level universities, ensures assignments align with future literacy standards schools worldwide are moving toward. Reflection. Think of one assignment in your course. How could you adapt it so that students can use AI, but must still show original effort, critical thinking, and ethical practice? Which D, delegation, description, discernment, diligence, would you highlight most in this assignment? Discuss or write your thoughts. Key takeaways are 1. Teachers must intentionally design assignments with AI in mind. 2. The 4 Ds provide a roadmap to turn AI from shortcut into learning support. 3. Assessments should focus on process, creativity, and critical thinking, not just recall. 4. Learning outcomes should explicitly include responsible AI use. 5. Horizon Trax equips educators to design globally aligned, AI-ready courses for the classrooms of tomorrow.